Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Namita and in today's video we are going to learn how we can create Google Forms. So what actually are Google Forms? Google Forms are free online web application. Yes, this is completely free. You can create your online surveys or online quiz using Google Forms. The best part is you can also connect your Google Forms with your Google Sheets. So whenever the user is submitting your form, the responses will get captured in the Google Sheets automatically and in real time. So let's see how we can create Google Forms and let's get into the screen now. The very first thing you need is your Google account. If you do not have a Google account, then create it now to use the Google Forms. I have signed into my Google account, search for Google Forms and click on this very first link. I have also given this link in the description. Go to personal option and click on go to Google Forms. The another way of going here is from your Gmail account, go to Google application button. Here you have all these web applications which are Google products. So here at the end I have forms. Click on it and you will again land on the same page. Here you have some ready-made templates that you can use. Let's create a new form and click on blank template. Like we all have a name, give a name to your form. Let's say My Excel Club. You can write the description here what this form is all about. So as a sample, let's write this is the form description. Now before we start adding our questions, let's see what all we have in this application. At the top right with this button, you can customize your theme. You can add an image to your header. Let's choose an image, this one, and click on Insert. This image will appear at the top of your form. You can also change your theme color from here and then the background color if you want. You can also change your font style. Now from this eye icon, you can preview your form and see how it looks like. If you click on these three dots, you have options like undo, make a copy, move to trash if you want to delete it, get a pre-filled link. I'll show you what this is later in this video. You can print this form and add or invite other people. You can ignore script editor and add-ons as of now. Let's create a small survey or a quiz. Below our description, you have your first question. So write your question here. From this drop-down menu, you have different types of questions available. Let's create short answer question and this will appear like a small box when you preview it. If you want to make this question required or mandatory for your users, then switch it on. You can also add descriptions and validations also. So let's select response validations. Here you can restrict your users to write here numbers which are greater than, equal to and so on. Or you can also ask to write a text which is an email or something. Or you can also restrict the length of the characters. Let's choose text and email. Here you can write the error message that you want to show to the users if they do not type in the correct email format. Let's write here provide correct email address. On the right hand side, you have different options to add a question. You can also import the questions, add title or description, image, video and a new section. Let's add one question. Choose only one answer. Then from question type, choose multiple choice. So short answer and paragraph are same, so I am leaving this on you to explore. Let's go for multi-choice and here add your options. I'm writing here let's say ice cream and then chocolate and then other. Again you can make it mandatory to select. Let's see what all we have here. You can add description. If I select go to section based on answer, let's see what will happen. You will get one more drop down for each option here. This says if I select this option, then what do you want to do? You want to jump into some other section or just submit the form. So for each option you can add a condition on this question. Let's move on to the second option, which is shuffle option order. What this will do is the order of the options shown to one user will be different than the other. For example, when I'm filling this survey, I can see ice cream first and then chocolate. If another user filling the same survey, the order can be different, like at the first option they will see chocolate and the second option ice cream. So this functionality shuffles the answer options shown to each user. Let's move on, add one more question. Checkbox this time. Here the user can select more than one option. In the above question, the user can select only one option. You can add as many options as you want here. Let's see what all I have here. Select response validation. Here you can restrict your user to select at least, at most and exactly. Let's say at most 2, which means user can select 2 or less than 2 options only. You can write your error message here, let's say test. You can also change the order of your questions by just dragging them like this. The beauty of Google applications are they save automatically in your drive, so you do not need to worry about saving your work. Let's add one more question. Drop down is similar to multi-choice, so I am again leaving this on you to explore. Let's choose a linear scale. This will appear in a horizontal line. You can choose your lowest scale from here if you want to start it with 0 or 1, and here you have highest scale up to 10. Here you can write what 1 number denotes and what 10 number denotes. I am adding one more question. This is how your linear scale will look like. This time let's choose a date type question. Let's add an image also. This is just for testing purpose to check how an image will look like in the form. I am choosing any random image from my system. Now let's see the preview of our form. I am clicking on this eye icon and this is how your form will look like to the user. Now if you want to pre-fill the data, for example, let me go back to my form and let's select this option, pre-filled link. Let's write here, please specify with this other option, and let's choose number 10 in this question, and then click on get link at the bottom of this page. You can copy the link from this pop-up message. Let me paste this link in a new window and press enter. You can see that the options are pre-filled for this other option and this question. Now let's send this form. You can send it in an email or just get the link and distribute it. If you select email, then write the to email address, edit the subject, write your message here. You can also share it with your social media accounts and also check this box, collect email. Click on send. Let's go to my email account. If let's see we have received it or not. I have received this form on my email account. Let's click fill out form. This is my form and you can check all the validations that we have applied in this form. I am checking for email, then we are checking for this multi-choice, so all my validations are working fine. You can clear the complete form from here and then click on submit when you are done. Let's open the form again. When you get the responses of your survey, you can see the responses here. Let's fill out one more form. I am choosing any random options and then I will submit the form. Let's check out our responses. This is how it will appear under response tab. it automatically added the graphs for your data visualization. So this is amazing guys, your report is already created, you don't need to add any graphs and it is by default available for you. You can connect this Google form with your Google Sheets wherein you can have detailed look on the answers. I'll cover this part in the next video. Till then stay tuned, and if you're new to this channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then take care, stay healthy, stay safe and happy learning.